So guys, in my previous video, I have shown you how to install Kali Linux operating system on top of virtual machine. So in this video, we'll see how to install Parrot Security operating system OS on top of VirtualBox. So most of the people, some people like Kali Linux to use, some people like Parrot Security operating system. They will like to use. So that's the reason I'm going to make this video for the people who are interested to use this Parrot Security operating system. I will show I will show the full details how to install it without getting any error. So just for that, first you need to go to the Chrome. Just I'm going to use here Firefox. Okay, my internet was not there. Okay, now I got connected. Just go to the google.com. Now just type here. First we need to download the VirtualBox. So just type here VirtualBox. This is the website which you need to go. So just select, click on this option. Go to this website, and the website. This is the official website for the VirtualBox to get downloaded. So from here you need to you have some options here at the left side. uh, you need to click on downloads here, and you need to select which type of operating system is yours. And mine is Windows. I need to select here Windows OS. So if yours is Mac, you need to select the second option. Now I'm going to select Windows. So it is going to get downloaded. So once it get downloaded, go to that particular file location where the application got downloaded. Now double click on it, click on yes, click on next, next, click on yes, install. Now the installation process will begin. It will not take much time. It will install very within few seconds. Okay. Now click on finish. Automatically it will open the interface. Okay, see, now you can see the interface of the VirtualBox. Now what we need to do, we need to add our ParrotSec operating system into this. So again, then we need to run it, right? So for that, go to the Google again, and just we need to download like which website we need to go. Here we need to go, just type here Parrot OS. See, this is the official website where you can download the Parrot Security operating system. I'm not going to download from here. I need some predefined image. That's the reason I'm going for the OS boxes, another website which I have told you before, where when we are going to install that Linux operating system. Now I'm going to the same website. Here we can see, we can find all types of operating systems, not only Parrot. So ours is VM images. So here select VM images, and here you need to choose. Ours is VirtualBox. You need to choose only VirtualBox images. Okay. So click on VirtualBox images. Now scroll down. Once you need to find out where the Parrot Security operating system is available. Go to that particular path. Now here we need a image called VDI image. So click on this VDI image. Now for the VirtualBox means we require with this VDI image. If yours is VMware, you need to have you need to choose VMDK image. I'm going with the VDI. So click on download. Now the download will get started in a few seconds automatically. So you can see that in download session. If your internet speed is good, the download process will happen in a less time. So for me, it is saying it takes 2 minutes time for this process. So you can see here also. And to know about your system configuration, just press Windows key plus R in your keyboard and go to Windows plus R and just type here MS Info 32. It will show you the system information. You need to download whether you need to download 64-bit or 32-bit. See here the system type, it is showing me as 64 bits based PC. Anyone watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. So I will put all the latest content here in my channel. It's almost done. It's only few seconds left. Let it get completed. Once it got completed, then we go to the virtual box and we do the installation there itself. But here this one we will get the downloaded file will be in the compressed mode. We need to decompress it with the help of 7-zip or WinRAR. So I don't know whether in my system 7-zip is available or not. Let me check it with that. Yeah, 7-zip is there, so no issues. Yes, almost done, right? So now go to that particular location. Uh, it was downloaded in my C drive. I am going to cut it from here, and I am going to put it in this new volume on my drive. So here, just I am going to paste it here. Now the file is going to get copied from there to here. Now we need to do the extraction process. So now right click on it and show more options. Go to 7-zip, extract to 64-bit. I'm extracting it from by using the 7-zip. In your case, if you can extract it from WinRAR also, no issues. Now let me change the folder name to ParrotSec. Enter. Now let's go into that folder. So the requirement for is VDI image. The VDI file, that file type it is showing as VDI image. Now you can, I'm going to delete. Okay, let me do the installation process now. So you can see the difference. This is the compressed file, which is around the size. File size is 3.83 GB, and when you see the size after decompressing, it is going to show us 15.3 GB. So that is the difference, right? So now go to the open the VirtualBox in your operating system. Now click on New here. Just give the name. I'm going to give the name here as Parrot Sec and leave the other things as this and click on next. You need to choose the type also here. I'm going to select it as Linux. Yeah, Linux. And version, that is, it's also a Debian version. uh, okay, I'm going to choose here Debian 64-bit. Now click on next, and it will ask you to choose the give the memory size. I'm going to give memory up to 4 GB. Okay, now I have processors also. Let me give it up to 2. Now click on next. Now it will ask you to how much disk space we need to allocate for this. So let me give it as just drag this one. How much requirement that you have? I'm going up to 80. Now, okay. Sorry, don't select this option. Please select the second option. Just we already have the image, right, in the file format VDI. So we need to choose the second option, and here a small icon will be there like folder. Click on it. Now click on this add button. Now where the VDI image is available, go to that location. So select the VDI. In my case it is available in iDrive. So click on open here, and click on select it one select this one, and click on choose, and click on next, and click on finish. Now go to settings again. Here what you need to do, just go to the storage and check everything is fine or not. Okay, now go to display, and video memory, set it to max, and click on network, and I'm going to change it to bridge mode. In your case you can use a NAT itself, and here uh, Promiscuous mode should be in allow all position. Okay, now we are done with all the things. I think so. So now click on OK again. Now click on start. Now it, it should get started. We'll see. Yes, now you can see it is going to get started. Yeah, and the username is osboxes.org, and the password is osboxes.org. Yeah, now you can see here our Parrot. We have entered into the Parrot Security operating system. The reason it is not going to show you in full screen, because of we need to install here this go to devices here. Just click on insert guest editions CD image. Just click on it to upgrade guest editions. Once you're done with the installation process, then you need to restart it. Then it will be shown you in the full screen. So now you can open the terminal here. Now just let's ping to the Google and check whether internet connection is getting or not. Just ping google.com. We are not getting any response. Packet send 11, but received is 0. Alright. Let's restart it once. INIT6 to restart the command is. Again it will get restarted. the view. Okay, I'm going to give the password again, osboxes.org. Virtual screen. Again, click on new, view, virtual screen up to 1440. Yeah, now let's again try to ping google.com. We need to get response, but I'm not going to get any response. I don't know why. Okay, let's ping tata.com. Okay, the reason is Google is not accepting ICMP protocol. That's the reason we are not getting any response. Now I have tried here to ping other domain. So I got the response. Here 4 packets were sent and 4 packets were received. So here my internet is working properly, no issues at all. So in order to increase the screen size, go to here view option, go to virtual screen, and you can select this one also. Scale up to 125%. The percentage also you can do that, or else like this also you can do. Okay, let me go to full screen. This will be better, right? Okay, now let me shut down this. That's it, guys, for this video. I hope you like it. So please do subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. We'll see in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.